Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. Keyboards may seem like just regular plain computer accessories that you do not give a second thought about, but there are plenty of people out there that spend exorbitant amounts of money on their keyboards. Let us look at the 7 most expensive keyboards out there. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 1. Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional by Japan. The most expensive keyboard on this list is the Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional by HP Japan. This keyboard is a custom-made keyboard made by PFU Limited Japan and affiliated of Fujitsu. The keyboard is varnished with Japanese lacquer in the native Urushi art style and then coated with gold dust. You can expect to pay 4,440 hands on this keyboard. Number 2. D2 2000 IS keyboard. This keyboard is a straight hardcore military grade hardware made by Stealth.com. The D2 2000 IS keyboard is designed to a long lasting and highly durable keyboard. You can take this peripheral to place on other keyboard has been. This keyboard functions at temperature of -4 degrees Celsius to +90 degrees Celsius. It is made with an enclosed non-corrosive stainless steel with an isolated barrier that meets the NEMA 4X protection standards. You can expect to pay somewhere around $2,200 for these lines of keyboard by Stealth. Number 3. Datamancer Separate Keyboard. Datamancer is known for its custom-built keyboard that can range from keyboards with jeweled LED lights to chrome keys and brass frames. Since these are custom-made, they vary in price. However, if you want a separate keyboard, expect to pay between $1,200 to $1,500. Number 4. Meltron Executive Keyboard. The first thing you will notice about this keyboard is the unconventional layout. The keyboard is divided into 2 sections and it curves toward the outside. This is because the creators of this keyboard, Lilian Melt and Stephen Hobbs, had comfort in mind. According to them, they reduce stress on fingers and arms while typing. You can sit and type on this keyboard all day without getting tired. The keyboard is priced at about $920. Number 5. Professional 2 Data Hand Keyboard. At first glance, this device may not even look like a keyboard, but it actually is. The Professional 2 Data Hand Keyboard was designed by Dale J. Ratter and it's manufactured by Industrial Innovations. The keyboard itself consists of 2 separate devices, only one for each hand. Each of your 5 fingers activate your hand. By moving your finger, you select the letter you want. It is a very unconventional keyboard but looks pretty cool. The first data hand came out in 90s, so these are very rare in these days and you will probably find someone selling these on eBay for somewhere between $700 to $1,900. Number 6. Optimus Popularis. The Optimus Popularis is a compact keyboard with each key displaying a particular image. It can be programmed to display an image and any function on its keys. It was made by a Russian design studio. It can in any hand for people looking to working in creative arts, where people like graphic artists or musicians can use the flexibility it offers to their advantage. The price of this keyboard is $695. Number 7. Kiramaki Pure Gold Keyboard. The name gives it away. The Kiramaki is made with 100% pure gold, made by Wasakura Studios from Japan. The Kiramaki Pure Gold keyboard comes with 86 keys and an adjustable base for a better typing experience. You can get the golden typing experience for about $360 a snip compared to the other keyboards on this list.